Hello, myself Neelam, and today's my topic is Ask.com search engine. Ask.com, originally known as the Ask Jeeves, is a question answering focused e business founded in 1996 by Garrett Gorners and the David Warthen in Berkeley, California. The original software was implemented by the Gray Chavesky from its own design. Vartan, Chavesky, Justin, and others built the AskJeeves.com website around that the core engine. As such technology respond to the questions, phrases, or the single word searches, giving you the more options and making it easier to you to search the way you want. Its corporate headquarters are located at the 555 City Center in the Oakland City Center, developed in the downtown Oakland, California. Ask founded in June 1996 as Ask, and their URL is www.ask.com. This being the name of the gentleman's personal gentleman or the valet fetching answers to any question asked. In 2010, as mountable competition from the more popular search engine like Google. In 2010, Ask.com abandoned the search industry with the loss of 130 search engineering jobs because it could not compete against more popular search engines such as Google. Earlier in the year, Ask has launched a QA community. In Ask.com, it's easy to search. While capitalization doesn't matter, correct spelling will always lead you the better quality result. When a potential misspelling is encountered, we will automatically suggest a correct spelling. Ask.com is a natural language technology allow us to understand the context of your search so that we can provide a related topics or the suggestions for you to use to enhance your search experience. Be sure to place a space between the words so you can see the exactly what you are searching for. If you are not sure about the spacing, perform separately searches for each of your option. You also can add your own website in the Ask.com. Easy to add your website. Simply highlight the code in the box below, copy it, then paste it into your HTML on your own site. Done with the pasting, the code is desired the location on your site and it's finished. It's that easy. Ask.com toolbar put the search at your fingertips for Internet Explorer and the Firefox users. Their speed is consistent. There are the different type of searches like questions, web, images, new, question and answers, local, maps, TV, listings, events, recipes, video, shopping, and more. There are also different types of the documents offered like a web, PDF, Word, and the PowerPoint document. Has a database of the 300 million for answer and questions. There are the related to searches and the related to the questions to help you get the more information. Change the theme of the home page, make it look more attractive looking. .com has also disadvantages as the no translation, the rank results, Boolean works on asked. To ask a question, you can't type in just a single words. Also can't search a music. Ask.com has been criticized for its browser toolbar, which has been accused behaving like a malware due to its building with the other software and the difficulty of its uninstallation. Ask.com in and the efforts to seriously contend with the Google, Yahoo and MSN has officially dropped the Jeeves character from their brandings and are focusing on their Ask search technology, search tools and a simpler design. Ask.com feel that the new branding represents the achievements in the search which have been accomplished with the advancements in their Ask search technology, user experience, content serving the via smart answers and the personalized search technology. New Ask.com is the cumulative of the year of the innovation, combining the most advanced core search technology with one of the kind tool that make the search better, said the Steve, CEO of the Ask.com. People deserve a search engine that gives them tools to get the what they need the faster. Not just a bunch like links on a page. Ask.com takes the search to the next level. The customizable toolbox offers the more than 20 vertical search tools including the maps, images, weathers, dictionary, local and the desktop search like a Google and Yahoo tables pages. The toolbox is a ask.com way to help you give the direction to the help of the type of the search a user will make the from the very beginning of their journey. Noticeable toolbox offering is Bloglines, the blog search and the subscription services owned by the Ask.com. Although the Ask has yet to integrate blog result into their Ask.com search functionality. It is refreshing to see the Bloglines list on their home page. Maybe the one day soon, Ask will include the Bloglines subscriptions link in their normal search result to let the user subscribe to site with the RSS feed like they have in Ask Japan. Ask.com will be the taking the more of a functionality lead from the Ask JP, as not only does as the Ask Japan offer the toolbox, but also multiple search buttons from the home page, which take the user control factor and an extra step. In my opinion, to top up the search functionality and change the total user search experience. Ask.com should adopt the Ask Japan homepage search box format, adding the more of the rounded search experience from the beginning. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching.